welcome back to my channel. It's Mocha Bombshell and I'm doing my very first YouTube giveaway. The instructions for this giveaway are very simple. If you want to be considered, if you want to win this giveaway, just follow along. So first and foremost, in order to win this giveaway, you have to first subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell in the corner for notifications so you can keep up with all of my latest videos. Like my page on Facebook at Bombshell Beats LLC. Okay, that's Bombshell Beats LLC. I am a makeup artist. I do makeup locally in Florida. However, I do travel. I do travel and do makeup as well. So you have to like my makeup page on Facebook. Follow my Instagram page at Mocha Bombshell. That's MOCHAA_bombshell. Okay, and then after you follow that one, follow my makeup page on Instagram, which is at Bombshell Beats. All of the links to my social media will be in the description box. So I will have a post with the instructions to this giveaway up on Facebook. So once you like the page, share that post so everyone that you know and all of their friends can see this and participate. The first prize is going to be a free Bombshell beat. Okay, so I've done a giveaway previously where I gave away makeup, but this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. So there will be two winners. The first winner will be the winner of the free Bombshell beat. The second winner will be the winner of the chocolate gold. Yes honey, I'm giving away a chocolate gold palette. I love this palette. Here's mine. The colors in this palette are so beautiful and so pigmented. Lots of shimmers, lots of really pretty colors. So if you want a chance to win this chocolate gold palette, or if you want to be the winner of the free Bombshell beat, all you have to do is follow those simple instructions. February 11th, I will announce the winners of this giveaway. So stay tuned for that. That's all the instructions for this giveaway. Good luck to everyone and I will see you in my next video. Stop looking at me record.